something a little bit different for you guys today. As you know, I have been doing some clothing resale, thrifting, looking for some new opportunities, and wanted to share what I've been doing. So here recently, I found a website that basically thrifts for you. Of course, you're going to pay a little bit of a premium for a company thrifting for you, but you can buy certain categories, and I took advantage of that opportunity, and I bought a Lululemon thrifted bag of goodies. So in this bag, there are 5 pieces of Lululemon clothing. They could be new, they could be used, they could be tops, bottoms, whatever. But they're all supposed to be Lululemon branded items. And for these 5 items, I paid $70 shipped for this. So I paid up for it a little bit, but because it's Lululemon, I thought, you know what, I'm going to try it, see what happens. Never know until you try. So here we go with this one. Now, I don't know what's in here, so I wasn't able to do any research ahead of time as to what the value is based upon condition and all of that. So I'll try to add that in throughout the video so that you kind of know what pricing is. But you know I paid $70 for this. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm just gonna set this here on my lap. Got it right here, got it opened up, set it on my lap, and I'll just pull each item out. Okay, this is a bright top, very small. But this looks like a little tank razorback with the perforations in the back and in the front. It has a zipper. Make sure the zipper works. Yep, zipper works. It does have the Lulu logo right there. And it has a built-in bra. Looks like it's in good condition. What size is this? Not super familiar with where they put all their sizing, so bear with me. Here we go. This is a size 2. So there is the label, and I will get pricing and try to insert that into the video as we go. Okay, so the next Lulu item we have here, it's a pair of leggings. Those are nice. Fun little waistband. Oh, that's just a fuzz on the front of it. That's what the back looks like. You've got your Lulu logo there at the bottom near the ankle. It looks like these are like a capri. They do have a pocket at the waistband. You've got the logo inside as well. They're not in too bad of shape. A little bit of pilling along the waistband, but it's very minor. Looks like maybe if I wash them and just get them cleaned up a little bit, they'll be good to go. I'm wondering if these are reversible too. Are these reversible? Hang on, let's see here. Sure enough, they are reversible, it looks like. Maybe? I don't know. Because the logo is on both. I don't know. And I can't find a size tag either. So I'll see what else I can find on these. Yeah, because I don't see any sizing. But anyway, those are pretty nice. They look like a small, maybe. All right, so our next item, that's 2 out of the 5. Ooh, we have very short shorts. Very short. So you've got your logo here on the back. You've also got the zipper logo right there. It has the little zipper pocket on the side. And the label has been removed. So I'll just have to take measurements and figure out what sizing this is. It is a little bit stretched out. Maybe not. They're just stretchy. But they are short shorts. So I'll look those up after the video and see about getting some pricing on what these might resell for. Ooh, another bright one. All right, we've got a pair of shorts. Bright orange shorts. They have the pocket here in the back. These are in really good condition. They are a size 6 tall. Not sure if that's focusing. Let's see here. Yeah, they're a 6 tall. And you've got your logo here on the outside. These are really nice. Won't fit me, but they're nice. And they do have like the built-in underwear in them as well. So yeah, those are really nice. And again, I'll look pricing up and let you know what it is to see if this is even worth it. Because, you know, you pay $70. Hopefully you're turning that plus quite a bit more to make it worth your time and effort. All right, so how many was that? That was 4 items, so this should be our last. And it is. Another pair of leggings. Looks like these are maybe calf length, I guess. Just based upon kind of looking at them here. They are kind of a cottony material. I wouldn't call them like the super buttery soft ones, or at least I don't think they feel super buttery soft. They are a size 8. And you've got your logo on the internal tag and then here on the back side of the leggings. No pockets, it doesn't look like. I don't see any pockets in the waistband. So it doesn't look like these have any pockets at all, as far as I can tell. A little bit of pilling on it. Looks like it just needs a wash and then, you know, making sure that any kind of fuzzies are taken off of it and that kind of thing. So this is the first time I have ever purchased anything like this. I do have some others that I have purchased that I just haven't recorded yet of different brands. I think I do have another Lulu as well. I've ordered some of different brands because you can order based upon certain categories, which is kind of cool. Or you can buy like a huge bundle of, let's say, jeans or whatever it may be. So I just bought, right now, I just bought the smaller amount of the specific category. So we'll see if this is worth it, and I'll let you know. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you next time.